So friends, in this lecture we will learn this how to change the background of an image. Okay, so for that we have to select this mail model. Alright, for this you have to use the quick selection tool and select the model just like this. Alright, and remove this part, remove this one. Okay, and remove this one a little bit. Okay, so add this one also. Okay, alright, so we have just selected our mail model. So for this you have to just click the right click, select and mask, and we will just make it these smooth edges just like this. Okay, and a contrast to remove the smoothness in our edges. Okay, the blurriness. Output to the new layer, the gotcha. Okay, so we have our main model, we just deleted in our the main image. Okay, and if something is missing then you can add it. Just select this layer also, do the layer masking. All right, and see this the opacity. Okay, okay, so this is not changing. Control I. All right, so I don't think that something is missing. Okay, or we can do just remove this layer masking. Okay, so make it to the top and select it and make it the layer mask. Control I. Okay, and using the brush tool. Okay, so this is the brush tool we are gonna use here. So you can add this one just like this hand is something, just cut it. Okay, so we will gonna add it just like this. You can add it. Alright, so this part and this part, some from here. Alright, so everything is being added, and now you have to do just apply layer mask. Okay, and select both layers, control E to make it a 1, and now you can make a new background here. Okay, so just press control shift alt N, make it to the below of this one layer, and you can create a new background. Okay, so just like this, if you want to make a gradient background, you can make a gradient background just like this. Or if you have another background, okay, so just like this, I have this background and I'm gonna add it. So just drag and drop it to the here just like this. You can add a new background. Okay, and something to see the white lightning. So what you're gonna do, just the layer mask, brush, and the black on the top, and you can remove it just like this. Okay, if something is just like you have deleted by mistake just like this, then you can just switch the color using the X and you can fill it. All right, so I'm gonna delete this one. Alright, so you have to select the whole area, that is okay. You see this is the extra part that is come from that background, so you have to delete this one from your image. Alright, so same from this side. You can easily remove this one using this tool. Okay, if something is more you just by mistake, then you can press the X and make it visible. Now same from here. All right, so this is the last one. All right, so we just did it. All right, so you see this is my build model, and you can do just add this layer mask. Okay, and you can change its lightning and hue saturation. You just press Ctrl U and change the hue saturation, the lightning part from here, just like this. Okay, so actually basically it's a black and white, so you can't change the more hue saturation. So for that, first we will change the light curves. Just press Ctrl M and change the curves just like this, because you have to match it using the background. Okay, so make it a little bit darker and select these two layers. Just press Ctrl Shift E. All right, or we can just press Ctrl E because we don't want this layer. Okay, and now you can change the lightning and other thing. Just press Ctrl L, or you can just do here the levels and adjust the level of whole image just like this. All right, and same from here, the brightness we will just adjust the brightness, the contrast, and a little bit just of this one, the vibrance. Okay, so you see you can easily change the background of an image. So this is the first one method that you can use to change the image. Okay, so you can change the background. We just added a background in this image. If you don't want to add this, you can just select both the layers and make a group, and you can change the group, the brightness and vibrance in the group. All right, okay, so we just added, or you can have more options to remove the background, just like this one. Okay, if I want to change the remove the background, so you don't have to just select the pencil to remove the background because it's a solid color. So you can just use the eraser, the magic eraser, and single click, and it will remove the background from your image, and you can place any background here. Okay, or any gradient that you want, or any solid color just like this. Okay, so put it to the down and just change the background of an image. Okay, but in that case it's not a single color, it's just like the multi-color and using the texture. So we have to select our object in that type of case. But if the case come from the solid color, you don't have to select the object. You can just using the eraser, magic eraser, and remove the background.